Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the WeTrade broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select the WeTrade broker and click on Go to Website. You enter the website and click on Register. We enter the registration section, register our country of residence, then enter a mobile phone number, email address and password. I recommend using between 6 to 16 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, click on Regenerate PIN. Enter the code that was sent to your phone today in this section. Confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Register. In the next step, click on this option to activate your account and enter your account dashboard. Your account has been created. Good luck!